Morning. Traditional markets finished last week on a risk-on note. So investors were bolstered by reassuring inflation data and ignored jobs data, which showed a decline but was broadly in line with expectations. One could also observe the dollar falling, and that's of course supportive of risk asset, and also of gold, which is kind of trying to make a comeback. In the crypto space, you can feel the bullishness as well. Investors are a lot richer now than they were, say, last week or the week before that, and that include Bitcoin maximalists or people with a more diversified portfolio. So over the weekend, Bitcoin's performance was mixed, but at least holding up the massive 7% increase that we saw on Friday. So we're currently hovering now around 47,500. Alts, on the other hand, have continued to rise, so totally outperforming over the weekend and pushing the Bitcoin dominance back down to the low 44s. The shift is interesting, with positive development on Ethereum, Cardano and other proof-of-stake solution, but also the rise of NFTs and the continued growth in DeFi. Investors seem more willing to allocate capital to those solutions, so those that are supportive of a smart blockchain economy and at the expense of maybe some of their Bitcoins. Among the outperformers, we saw Terra, Solana, Cardano, VeChain, the Graph, Matic, all rising in the last few days between 15%, 20%, 30%, or even 40% for Solana. And then Polkadot, Tezos, and Chainlink are another batch of high flyers, less than the previous one, but with gains between 5% and 15%. Now, away from price action and on to news, the thing I'm most happy to hear about is talks on the infrastructure bill, with some politicians trying to amend the language around crypto regulation and taxation. So if a more lenient wording can be put through, this would be very supportive. On the less supportive side, we saw Binance stopping Korean won payments, payment options and trading pairs. So nothing unexpected, it's just a continuation of them cleaning up their act, but still impactful. Looking at more of the on-chain activity, the hackers of the Poly network were awarded $500,000 in exchange for returning the fund, and so the whole incident is now branded as a bug bounty thing. There you have. Last but definitely not least, the latest difficulty adjustment on the Bitcoin mining rose 7.3%, which is always supportive. It increases the security and, of course, the faith in the network. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It helps with the visibility. Also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.